Hi everyone, how are you doing? Hope you all are doing fine and safe at your place. I am Rashmi Gore. Today's topic is fail to rise up. In our life, we do lot many things and sometimes we fail. But we don't like failure, right? No one of us like it. And sometimes we get very discouraged, demotivated. But my dear friends, failure is good because it teaches us how to excel, how to do the things better next time, how to improve us. Failure makes us grounded. It makes us humble. So failure is good. If we are learning from it, then definitely it's a good thing. Failure is a feedback. We should not take the things negatively. If we take it positively, and then failure is a feedback. Even if someone criticizes, then definitely if we look at the positive part, how I can improve, then definitely it will help. It will help us if we take it as a feedback and work on it in a positive way. Failure is a stepping stone towards the success. It is not an person, it is an event. Most of the times, what happens? If we are failing, we take it so personally and we make a label on the person. He failed. That means he is a failure in life. You are not able to do this thing. You are not successful in the business. Nobody has done it. How you are gonna do it? Already you failed in the past. Or this is the kind of... So what we do? We stick a label on a person. But let me tell you, failure is an event. Something you tried which not worked and you failed at it. But as a person, you tried, so you are not a failure. You have given your try. You have tried it. Now you need to figure it out how well I have done it. Have I given my 100%? Was I committed enough? So definitely we don't need to take it personally, but we need to work on it. Thomas Edison, a great scientist who invented the electric bulb, he failed 10,000 times. But the way he quoted his experience, and he said, I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Isn't it amazing? You know, that statement is so inspirational. He tried so many times without discouragement, without demotivation. And that's what he succeeded. Successful people in any walk in life worldwide, if we see all the successful people, why they are successful? Because they have failed more than us. They have failed many times in life. So success, what we are achieving after failing so many times or giving a try so many times. And if you have failed, I'm sure many of us might have failed at some event or something or some decision we took or something we do which didn't work out. So if you have failed, consider yourself a very fortunate enough, because we are far more better than those who never failed in life. Because we learn from the failure, it makes us very humble. So we need to embrace the failure. We need to accept it. We need to learn from it. The most important thing is we need to detach ourselves from the results. If we run after it, definitely it will be more delayed. I'll just give you one classic example. If there is butterfly and if you try to catch it, if you run behind, what happens? You are not able to catch. But if you are standing still or if you are sitting at one place, it will automatically come to you and it will sit on your shoulder, or it will sit beside or nearby you without any fear. The same applies to success also. If you focus on it, if you run behind it, we are so much attached to the results. So we need to detach ourselves from that. Then definitely we will succeed. We will not be obsessed by the results and what will be the outcome, because we are focusing on the task. So we need to detach ourselves. And even if we fail, it is not the end of life, it is not end of the world. Just understand one thing, ECG, it is our heart rate, right? The curves goes ups and down. Life is also like that. If ECG is straight, that means a person is dead. He is no more. Life is also like that. We should be in alignment with what we want, what we are doing, and where we want to go. Then definitely we will succeed. Nothing can stop us, and we will become unstoppable. Our success or failure, whatever you attract, you will focus on, you will attract the same thing, and same thing will get manifested in your life. Even if you are failing in the process, but just be consistent to try. Even if you fail, trust in the process, trust in the flow, because we don't know the consequences. The higher power knows it better. He is the master. He knows everything. Even if many of the times we feel that this is something good for me. Why didn't it work? Why didn't it work out? Why didn't it work? Why I didn't got this particular job or this particular position? Why I'm not able to do this? See, we are just looking at the current moment or current thing. But the higher power knows our future. He knows better than us. And we are not aware of the consequences. So trust in the flow. Trust in the process. Whatever happens, happens for good. There is always a purpose or a reason behind anything. So just have faith. In a nutshell, I will just tell you few things which are at the core. Trust in the process, trust in the flow. Detach yourself. Focus on what you want. Be in alignment. Keep trying without demotivation, and take the failure as a feedback, and it will definitely help you. I hope you like this message. If you like this message and if you resonate with this thought, I would love to see your comments below. You might be watching it on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I would love to see your comments. You can send me a private message on Facebook so I can add you to my special VIP group for more valuable contents. Stay tuned, stay healthy, stay at home, take care, God bless you and love you all. Bye-bye.